Condensation on the interior of windows and doors occurs when warm air comes into contact with cool glass. The unsightly view of condensation on your windows or patio doors can drive anyone mad. Luckily, there are some creative ways to conceal or help remove condensation from your windows and patio doors. Try using a dehumidifier. Place it next to the window on the inside of your house. This will slowly remove any excess moisture from in between the two panes of glass. If you have any portable humidifiers in your home, make sure you turn them off. Humidifiers are designed to add more moisture to the air in your home, so they will cause more condensation to form on your windows. Try installing weather stripping. This will prevent cold air from blowing in and will cool down walls and windows. Not only will weather stripping save you money on energy bills, but it will also stop condensation. Try opening the drapes. Opening drapes and curtains will allow air to circulate against the windows, and this will dry out moisture on the windows and stop condensation from forming. The best time to open the windows and drapes is on sunny days, when the warmth and light from the sun will dry out the moisture. Use fans to move around air. Stand-up, oscillating, and ceiling fans are all great for circulating the air in your home. Not only will they help to reduce moisture, but they'll also distribute hot air more evenly in the winter and provide a cooling breeze in the summer. In the summer, ceiling fans should rotate in a counterclockwise direction. In winter, switch the fans so they rotate in a clockwise direction and circulate heat more efficiently.